the half-life of skills is now so short. You know, when I did my engineering degree, I think I was still living off some of that knowledge 10 years later. You know, now you're living off that for 6 months. So, you know, you're constantly having to retrain, upgrade, and I think this just has to become, you know, a proper line on the investment balance sheet, if you like, of our organisations, to say we are going to continuously invest, upskill our people so that we can absolutely stay ahead of these digital transformations.
The younger generation today, they're used to technology, in all honesty. You know, they were brought up with technology. So they're not necessarily interested in doing those mundane, repetitive jobs that maybe their fathers or mothers used to do. They want to do something more interesting. And therefore, if you have robots and automation within your manufacturing facility, you're more likely to attract these people to come and work there. And they're more interested in doing the programming roles, the maintenance roles, and so on.
Align the values to the strategy and the vision, and also speak to their customers. What's important to their customers over the next 5 years? We design a culture around today. We actually need to be looking 5 years ahead. What do we need? How do we need to be in the next 5 years? And then you bring everybody on board. So basically, I think the biggest message around any change that involves human beings: involve.